What if the future of money isn't defined by dollars or banks, but by data, algorithms, and intelligent systems that think faster than humans ever could? In 2026, AI is no longer a buzzword in finance. It's become the invisible engine driving everything from fraud detection to personalized money coaching, from smarter credit scores to instant investment advice. Whether you're a small business owner navigating digital payments, an investor seeking smarter portfolio tools, or someone curious about where finance is headed, understanding how AI works in fintech isn't optional anymore. It's essential to your financial future. Today, we're diving deep into the real impact of AI Setu on today's financial technology. Beyond the hype, into real use cases, real challenges, and the innovations that are reshaping money itself. What is fintech and why AI matters? To understand why AI has exploded in finance, you first need to understand what fintech truly is. Fintech, short for financial technology, refers to the use of modern computing technologies to improve, automate, and reinvent financial services. It includes mobile banking apps, digital wallets, peer-to-peer payments, robo-advisors, alternative lending platforms, and more. Finance produces more data than almost any industry, from transaction histories and credit records to real-time payment flows. AI thrives on data. It can detect patterns, learn from behavior, automate decisions, and adapt over time. That makes the combination of a KSATU and fintech a perfect match, one where technology doesn't just speed up existing processes, but fundamentally transforms how financial services are delivered and experienced. Core A1. Use cases in fintech today. Let's explore the real, practical ways AI is already disrupting financial services, not in theory, but in everyday applications. 1. AI-driven personalized budgeting and financial coaching. Most people struggle with money because traditional financial tools are static. They track what's already happened. Akisatu flips this around by analyzing how you spend, when you spend, and what patterns you exhibit, then offering insights and predictive recommendations in real time. AI-powered apps can categorize transactions, forecast future cash flows, suggest saving strategies, and even alert you when you're about to overspend. What used to require a personal financial advisor is now available to anyone with a smartphone, and it happens in seconds. Kedua, smarter, faster fraud detection. Financial fraud evolves constantly. Traditional rule-based systems often fail to keep up because they rely on fixed patterns. Akasatu changes that game by using machine learning models that adapt and learn from millions of data points in real time. Today's AI fraud systems can analyze behavior across millions of transactions, detect anomalies instantly, reduce false positives, and protect both consumers and financial institutions more effectively than ever before. 3. Reinvented credit scoring and financial access. Conventional credit scores often exclude people who lack significant credit history, including young adults, gig workers, and people in emerging markets. Akisatu enables alternative credit models that use broader data signals like bill payments, digital activity, and even smartphone usage patterns, helping more people access credit fairly. This breaks down barriers and increases financial inclusion, giving millions access to loans who were previously left out of the system. 4. Conversational AI Kesatu and customer support. Aikasatu chatbots and virtual assistants are now front and center in customer interactions. Unlike scripted bots of the past, modern conversational Aikasatu understands context, interprets intent, and offers personalized responses based on your account history, all without a human agent. These systems can handle questions about balances and transactions, assist with loan applications, provide financial tips, and streamline the user experience across mobile and online platforms. This improves customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs for financial firms. How Aisatu is built into financial products. Integrating Aisatu into financial platforms isn't just about adding a chatbot or a predictive model. It requires strategy, data pipelines, and a deep understanding of user problems. Start with the problem, not the technology. The most successful Aisatu implementations begin with a clearly defined user need. Can AI reduce friction during onboarding? Can it predict which users are at risk of falling behind on payments? Can an AI personalize financial advice in real time? Top fintech companies build solutions that solve specific needs rather than implementing AI Satu for the sake of hype. Modular and scalable approaches. Leading teams often take a modular route, starting with one AI capability, testing it, learning from user behavior, then scaling it up. This allows for iterative improvement and measurable business outcomes rather than risky, large one-time rollouts. Challenges and risks of AI in fintech. While AI brings enormous benefits, it also introduces challenges that cannot be ignored. 1. Data privacy and compliance. Financial firms handle deeply sensitive personal information. Regulations like GDPR and global privacy laws strictly govern how data can be collected, stored, and used. When AI models are trained on financial data, firms must ensure compliance while protecting user privacy. 2. Bias and fairness in models. Ekasatu algorithms are only as good as the data they learn from. Historical financial data often carries biases, and if those biases aren't addressed, Ekasatu models can unintentionally reinforce discrimination in lending, credit scoring, and risk assessment. Transparency and explainability, especially for decisions such as loan approvals, are increasingly critical for regulators and users alike. Looking ahead, the future of AI in fintech. Ekasatu in fintech isn't static, it's evolving rapidly. Dynamic financial advice and automation. Imagine platforms that monitor your entire financial life in real time, adjust investment recommendations based on market shifts and your personal risk tolerance, forecast upcoming expenses and cash flow, and provide holistic financial guidance whenever you need it. This kind of dynamic, real-time advisory service is increasingly plausible thanks to AI's ability to process massive data streams and learn user behavior patterns over time. Integration with other technologies. Ekasatu won't operate in isolation. It will merge with blockchain for secure, transparent transactions, edge computing for decentralized finance, Kasatu OT devices for real-time financial data, and even voice interfaces for seamless banking experiences. This convergence is creating financial ecosystems that adapt in real time to users' needs, behaviors, and life events. Real-world impacts and case examples. Even today, we see exciting real applications. Aksatu, personal finance apps offering automated budgeting tailored to your spending patterns. Machine learning systems detecting fraud in real time across millions of transactions. Conversational AI answering questions and guiding users around the clock with contextual understanding. Alternative credit scoring models unlocking access to loans for underserved populations. These innovations demonstrate how AI is not just a tool, but a transformational force in modern finance. Conclusion: why Axitu in FinTech matters. Axitu in FinTech isn't just about automation or efficiency. It's about making financial systems more inclusive, more adaptive, more intelligent, and more responsive to individual needs. But harnessing AI responsibly means considering privacy, fairness, and transparency at every step. The firms that do this well won't just survive, they'll define the future of finance. If you found this deep dive into AI in FinTech insightful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on how emerging technologies are shaping our financial world. Comment below which AK Satu financial innovation do you think will have the biggest impact in your life.